100,000 subscribers.
Woo!
Oh, salute e cin cin everybody. Hello everybody, today we make pork chop with a cherry pepper. And the ingredient I gotta use, I got cherry pepper. Oh yeah, baby. Now the cherry pepper I clean and I cut in half or 4 pieces. And this is the cherry pepper I use. And I got the onion already a slice, not too thin, nice size. I use a couple of garlic, and I gotta use the vinegar for the cherry pepper. And now with the pork chop, what I did, I put salt and black pepper. I was go this morning to the store to buy the pork chop. It was really thin. I said, I don't like. I said, listen, I gotta cook it tonight, but I want a special pork chop. Not too thin. After what happened, I was go shop. He was running the back of me. I said, Pastor, wait. He said, you like this? I said, beautiful. Give it to me 4. It was a quarter 4 pork chop like this. So beautiful. Now, I want to tell everybody, before you cook the pork chop, make sure the quarter, you see this little piece over here, the vein? You cut a couple of times. So you know quarter, the pork chop shrink, it close, it make it like this. And you don't want this happen. Okay, now we started with the pork chop, put the gas on, and we put a little oil. I want to warm up the oil a little bit. Okay, I got a couple of pieces of garlic I want to put inside. Now we put the garlic. And the garlic is starting to jump around. Okay, see already the garlic is starting to fry. You don't got to fry it all the way. I put the pork chop, but I wanted the oil to be nice and hot. Okay, we put the garlic on the side, and we put the pork chop. It's big now. But when I start to eat, it comes small. Look how beautiful it looks already. Eh? Now I want to take the garlic out. I know one time the garlic burn, you know, it give a bad taste for the pork chop. Okay, see the color of the garlic? That's why I take out. Okay, now let me see the pork chop on one side. Good, you see? It's really, really good. Okay, now one time I turn this. Okay, you gotta cook on the other side. And we can start fry the onion. Look how beautiful, look at this pork chop. Nice. Now, I use the vinegar with the cherry pepper, but so you don't want the vinegar, you can use white wine, so you like white. If you like red, go ahead, be my guest, use red. I use the vinegar, it's more hot. Oh, now the smell, so strong. Okay, now the pork chop we put on low. Okay, I want to start with the onion. We put oil. We need a little bit extra oil. I got a lot of onion to fry. The oil start to be warm up a little bit. And we put the onion. Okay. Now we saute the onion for a little bit. And I got to put a little, after I put a little salt and a little black pepper. Okay, now the onion ready. We give a nice saute and ready for the pepper. And now, it's the way it gives a really good taste. Now this, one time look at this. Look at the onion, nice it look. Okay, now we put a little salt, not too much. Got the pork chop are salt and black pepper. A little black pepper. Good. And now we saute the onion and the cherry pepper. Oh, look at it, beautiful. Now a little bit more, you gotta cook, and we put all together with the pork chop. Okay, the onions are ready, and now we put right on the top the pork chop. Look how beautiful this onion with the cherry pepper. Oh, this today, oh, I want to do a good job. Nice glass of wine. Now we put the onion every place. Okay, you gotta cover, look. Oh, so good. And we leave it staying now for 7-8 minutes, and this, it's done. All right. Oh, look how beautiful, nice. Okay, really, really good it looking now. Okay, now let me taste the pork chop. Let me use my tongue over here. And we put it right inside over here. But I need the cherry pepper and onion on the top. Oh, this is really, really good. I want to taste them. Look beautiful. Okay, let me start for you. Oh, look, see how beautiful? Really good. The spice, pork chop good, cook good. Nice thick the pork chop. When you go too thin, it's not good. Before I want to say salute chin chin, I want to say thank you very much everybody. The subscriber for me, 100,000 subscribe. Oh, salute e chin chin everybody. I'm so happy I received this one. I was so happy the day you come in. I see UPS, you come in here and knock at the door, and I have signed the paper. Salute, chin chin, and thank you very much. Salute!